Guys, a few scenarios you should always practice before going for any Salesforce developer interview. Number one, prevent the duplicates on contact. So based on email address, you need to prevent duplicates on contact record. There are two sub scenarios. Number one is that you should not allow any duplicates at all throughout the org in all the contacts. There is another scenario where duplicates are allowed but not within the same account. So practice both the scenarios. And number two, count the number of child records and populate the number in the parent record if they are not associated with a master detail relationship. So you can do all these things with the flow as well, but as this is an interview and they may ask you to write a trigger, you should practice this with trigger as well. Number three, let's say you have a top opportunity field on the account which is a lookup to the opportunity. You need to find the opportunity which has maximum number of amount and then populate that opportunity in the account record. So and number four is that, let's say you have to create a task whenever you create an account, or whenever you create an opportunity, you need to create a task, associate that task with the opportunity, and you need to send an email alert whenever, let's say if the task is not completed within the due day, you need to send an email alert to the opportunity owner. And if it is not done even after one day of the due date, then you need to send an email to the manager. So these are the scenario you can try and practice with the help of trigger. And see, you need to understand that in an interview they'll not be asking a very complicated business requirement where you need to do a lot of thinking. They will be asking a simple scenario by which they can judge your overall comfortableness if on your writing code, and the basic logics as well, whether you are able to write the bulkified code or not, whether you are able to use all the best practices of Apex or not. So scenarios will not be very complicated, to be very frank, but then at the same time you have to think about writing a clean and good logical code. Thank you.